Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
The Russian defense slowly begins to fall apart. The Ukrainians liberate the first inhabited places in Zaporozhyie. The Ukrainian 68th Fighter Brigade announces that they have liberated the community of Blahodatna.
Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Виганяємо з нашої рідної землі ворога. Це самі приємніші відчуття. Україна переможе, Україна понад усе.
More interesting news. Russian bloggers claim Ukraine opened a fourth front in the south, from Huljajpol. They say Marfopil is under attack. As we said earlier, in this phase of the offensive, there will not be one big attack in one place, but a series of smaller offensives, and that is what is happening right now. Almost the entire forward defense line of the Russian army near Velika Novosilka, around 20 kilometers long, has been wiped out. Ukrainian forces liberated Neskuchna and Novodonetsk. Based on Russian drone footage, we know that Ukrainian forces are already operating further south, hammering Russian forces in Storozhyie and the little village of Blahodatna nearby. Ukraine just conducted two crucial sabotage actions far behind enemy lines. A railway bridge was blown up in Yakimivka, stopping freight between Crimea and Zaporozhyie. The only railway line leading to the Crimean bridge was also blown up in the Krymovsky district. It seems that the Russian forces in the south of Ukraine are being put in a clamp, which will close slowly and strangle the Russian army like a snake strangles a frog. But that's not all. The North Crimean Canal, which supplies Crimea with fresh water, has stopped flowing, as seen in June 9th, 2023 satellite imagery. Crimea historically has significant fresh water shortages. The canal was blocked from 2014 through 2022. This dude. A 30-second video of military intelligence head Budanov staring you down, accompanied by the caption, "Plans love silence." First Battalion of the 3rd Separate Assault Brigade at work. Bakhmut direction. Under the cover of armor and fire, we entered the enemy's positions and begin the battle.
Рассыпаемся! Не кучкуемся! Лимон! Лимон! Пошли! Рассыпаемся! Дистанция!
Яка ймовірність, що якийсь голубчик від нас в кущах ховається?
А ну дай попробую, покажи.
Вы хотите в ту гору ветвей въебать?
Да.
Хорошо, въебите, но туда уже идти не надо.
Pictures have been released from what is claimed to be a failed Ukrainian advance recently through a Russian minefield near the town of Robotyne in the Zaporozhyie region. It appears that Ukrainian forces suffered severe armor losses, including 2 of the 6 Leopard 2R mine-clearing tanks that were provided by Finland, 2 Bergepanzer 2 combat recovery vehicles, 2 Leopard 2A6 tanks, at least 1 M2A2 Bradley AFV, and multiple other pieces of light armor and armored vehicles. Russian propagandist Alexander Arutyunov self-critically compares Russian Federation's army to a machine gun with its sight off, in crooked hands.
Что такое вооруженные силы? Надо понять, что вооруженные силы – это не самостоятельная организация. Если мы будем сравнивать вооруженные силы с бойцом, то вооруженные силы – это автомат в руках бойца. Только вооруженные силы – это автомат, то есть инструмент в руках военно-политического руководства страны. Так как Украина ведет войну, то логично сказать военно-политического руководства. И смысл в чем? Что вот мы стреляем из автомата, а он не попадает, то есть мы не попадаем. Это может быть по 2 причинам. То ли у нас кривые руки, то ли у нас автомат не придет к нормальному бою, сбит прицел, образно говоря, то есть просто для понимания, сбит прицел. Вот я прошу прощения, что я это вынужден говорить, но я это вынужден говорить. В феврале-марте 2022 года стреляли со сбитым прицелом до тех пор, пока не закончились патроны. А наш оппонент сегодня стреляет всего лишь 1 день, точнее сутки. И уже через сутки он понял, что надо либо руки поправить, либо прицел. И остановился, еще раз повторяю, на то, чтобы переформатироваться, подумать и изменить план.
The Polish aid for Kherson has arrived. Poland sent fire trucks, 10 water tanks with a capacity of 18,000 liters, 10 high-capacity pumps of 12,000 liters/minute each, flood control containers, and boats that will help evacuate flooding victims. Ukrainian border guard dog Ramus was captured by Russians during the defense of Azovstal in Mariupol last year. The Ukrainian Border Guard Service conducted a successful special operation and rescued Ramus from Russian captivity. Ramus has been reunited with his handler.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.